we have made it on the plane. It was a bit more complicated at check-in than what I've been seeing on other people's YouTube channels. They asked us for every single document that we had, but we were well prepared. We had everything that we needed. Saw a couple of people get turned away actually, which is kind of the same like what we saw last time. But we are well prepared. We are on the plane, and I think there's no stopping us now. So we will see you in Japan, and then from there to Thailand. Okay, you guys, we have made it to Narita, Japan, and we have about a 1 hour layover, and then we were headed to Bangkok. Do you know how you know when you're in Japan? Because on the airport TV, they are playing sumo live. Apple, you ready to do it again?
Going to Bangkok!
Alright, so we have made it to Bangkok. Now, all the documents that they've been checking all along, now they get checked for real. All the other stuff was just sort of screening to make sure we had them all in order. They looked through all the documents twice.
Yes.
2 different places. So now it's the real deal. So I'll try to show you guys a little bit of what that looks like. I don't even really know, because last time we were here, it was a much different procedure.
Yeah, different system.
So we'll see. Might be less serious this time, but we know we have what it takes because I already checked. And that's it. We've made it.
Yeah, so long on the airplane. Remember, we stay together, okay?
We'll try. So last time we were sitting in all these chairs for a while, getting really scrutinized, really checked out. This time they just went through some documents, put them in order, just put everything kind of together for a fast, easy check, I guess. And so now we're moving through. Seems a lot faster than last time.
Next stop, another immigration.
It?
Yes, we get every single one of them.
Okay, you guys, in the last video, some of you were asking about customs duties, import taxes. They didn't check our luggage. So everything is here with us, and now we are looking for our hotel. So this is interesting, you guys. I don't know if you can see, it's a bit dark in here, but we are en route to the hotel, and we stopped at the partner hospital, and they handed us a swab kit, which I don't think you can see, and I don't know if we're getting swabbed right here in the car. She said we were gonna get swabbed in the car, but
the nurse will do it. That's what
maybe it's the nurse at the hotel. So, and then no, we're getting it right there, Apple. Oh, this is very different.
have to go to lube.
Make sure you mention that your last name is not on the vial.
ค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
2 คนนะคะ
ค่ะ ที่เช็คชื่อไปเมื่อกี้ไม่มีนามสกุลของดิฉันนี่ไม่เป็นไรใช่ไหมคะเขาใส่แต่ชื่อเฉยๆแต่ไม่ได้ใส่นามสกุลนะคะ
อ๋อ
จะมีปัญหาไหมคะหรือว่ายังไงเพราะว่าของแฟนนี่เห็นเต็ม
ไม่ใช่ละหนูขอพาสปอร์ตหน่อยนะคะ
ได้ค่ะอันนี้เป็นตัวไวรัสเนมนอนอินเดียนิสอลตัวที่ชื่อนอน
น้ำหมูนะคะเรียบร้อยค่ะเอาภายใน24 ชั่วโมงนะคะบอกผลจะ2 ชั่วโมงนะคะ
ได้เดี๋ยวมากินไปกันค่ะโอเคอ๋อเลย 24 hours
Oh, that boy, I think that was the worst one I've ever had.
She didn't make a big deal about your date of birth. Baby, it's okay.
Okay, now we are staying at the Sure Stay Best Western. So it's pretty interesting. Airport to the hospital, and we got swabbed right there on the spot. Our samples went, I assume, just straight into the lab. So they'll be working on that. And then they just wanted to shuffle us off to our room real quick. So check this out. I never stayed here before.
606 this way.
Okay, first things first, take off that mask because I've been wearing it for like 20 something hours. So this is the room. It's nice and clean.
Yes.
It smells fresh.
They wrap everything in plastic.
So, no, it looks fine. We're not picky anyway. Like we just roll with whatever, but how's the mattress? It's okay. It's not horrible. So that is it, you guys. We have made it to Thailand, gone through the process. I will say that the process is very fast and it seems very efficient compared to what it was last year. So that's kind of where we're at this point, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and hopefully our test results come back negative and we'll go from there. So that's it. We are going to bed. We will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, you guys. We are starting a new day today. Apple, where are we going?
We are going to Toyota Buzz.
So we're gonna check out cars today. I know what I want, and we're headed to a really big kind of fancy Toyota dealership here in Bangkok. Check out some vehicles. I don't know if we're gonna buy today or not. I'm ready to, I'm prepared to if something is offered that seems like a really good deal to me. But we're kind of just gonna do a little bit of research, a little shopping, kind of figure out what our options are and that sort of thing. So that is today. You guys are coming with us downtown Bangkok. Let's get at it.
Yeah.
this is moving along really fast, but we ended up doing it. We bought Toyota Fortuner, just like this one. Not this exact one, but it's going to look exactly the same. So 4-wheel drive, 2021, brand new. We actually took a ride by taxi over to basically like a certified Toyota certified used dealer, and they had basically the same year with very low mileage, but the price was almost where we're at for a brand new one.
Yes.
So we just decided to just bite the bullet and get a brand new one. So anyway, we have to transfer the balance like within 3 days, and they're gonna send it to us up at the house.
Yes.
They're just gonna drop it off at our driveway, just like we did with the ATV. So, and it's in my name. So as a farang, as a foreigner, now I have something in my name actually. So that's it. 4-wheel drive. We're gonna do a little bit of modification to it at some point, and we're gonna have some road trips. And you guys are coming along with us also. Remember I told you guys I have the GoPro windshield mounts, I have the radar detector, we got the sleeping hammocks, we got all the stuff that we're gonna be stashing in there for our adventure. So anyway, that's it. Now I'm a proud car owner.
Yay.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a bite out of my bank account because we didn't finance it, just paid cash for it, just like we always do. So that is today's adventure, I think, although we may head over to Chatuchak. I don't know, since we're in the area,
yeah, we
have
can.
some lunch, and
Yes, sure.
maybe we'll look at some animals. So all right, you guys, on to the next episode here.